Want to send your location on WhatsApp? In this video, I'll show you how to send your location on WhatsApp step by step. First, open WhatsApp, open the chat or group where you want to send your location. On iPhone, tap the plus icon at the bottom left. On Android, tap the paperclip icon. Now tap Location. At the top, use the search bar to type an address or place. Select the location and tap Send. Tap Send your current location. This sends where you are right now, but it won't update if you move. To share your live location, tap Share Live Location. Choose how long you want to share it and tap Send. Your location will keep updating as you move. And that's it. You now know how to send location on WhatsApp. Like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips.